You showing him how it works? It's very nice.
Who would have thought we would have had two boys playing in the same room together? No,
Never,
right?
Yeah?
He's trying. I know. This is what he has. He's been going to therapy. I don't know if I told you.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He goes to speech and physical therapy because of all the tummy issues. They wanted to make sure he was, slower in his milestones because of all the stuff.
Oh, but Max was still playing. Here you go, Max.
He's like, watch this.
Gabriel's like, yeah, no, I can close it. See, this is how you do it. Are you showing Max how to do it, Gabriel? Nice. Nice.
Come down, I'm going to crawl right over top of him.
No, you push Max down. Oh, Max. You can read your book with me. Gabriel is a meme-potamus. He doesn't know his own strength.
He's like, that's my book. Yeah, that's my book.
You're sharing very nice, G. Now he wants